Hola! I wanted to show you my container garden. And this is the front door. I just have a little wreath with some faux hydrangeas in it on the front door. But this is a little bit of the front yard. And I know these are weed, but I just think they're so pretty. I don't want to pull them up. I'm going to let the flowers continue to thrive there. And I was going to show you, I have this basket, and I decided to plant my vegetables in decorative baskets so that they can look decorative even though I'm growing vegetables. And in here I have 3 sweet potato plants. I'm back to doing gardening after not gardening for a while, and I was given the tip that I should put these like grates so when the potatoes start growing, critters won't be able to dig them out. And then these are just some of those little faux cast iron looking gates. Thought it made it pretty, but it also be a little deterrent again for critters. These are my strawberry plants, and they're also planted in pretty baskets. And I think I even have one growing over here. I saw one. It might have already been a treat for an animal. No, here it is, look. See? So that's exciting. I actually think the flowers are what turn into strawberries. There's a lot I need to learn about strawberries though. I've never planted them before. And then I have 2 Boston fern in pots. And just a couple wicker chairs. And a little plant. I have a tea herb garden over here. So in here, these are little edible pansies. And this is chamomile. And this is peppermint, and you can just snip it off and drop it in your steeping cup of hot water or dry them. And then these are supposed to be purple petunias with white petunias. The purple ones died, but I think I have a purple one trying to come back here. So let's hope it does. And a little vinca vine. And so yeah, that is the front part of my garden where I hope the sweet potato vines will end up growing really full and decorative, but around October I can dump it out and hopefully find some really pretty healthy sweet potatoes. So now I'll take you to the backyard and show you my garden. Hi everybody. So we're in the backyard now, and I want to show you something really cool. Well, I'm a little timid, so I make sure there's no critters. But in this tree, can you see the bird's nest up there? I'll try to zoom in. We had so much fun watching this mama dove sit on her nest until the eggs hatched, and then the babies were out peeking over the edge, and the daddy bird would come every now and then. We just had such a sweet family of birds. Those of you who know me though know that I have a fear of birds, so that was quite an experience for me. So this is the back of our house, and tucked way back there is the water spigot. So I hate having to reach back there because I'm always afraid I'm gonna meet a friendly little snake. I hope not. But this is where I keep my water hose. Haven't had to use it, thank goodness, because it's been raining a lot. So we'll start here. These are my tomato plants that I'm super excited about. I have, again, altered the pots because I didn't want to use like Rubbermaid or plastic containers, so I'm growing out of baskets and then upcycled boxes that I wrapped with burlap. And these are growing, what kind of tomato? These are called Cherokee Purple. And I'll back up so you can see it a little better. And I have a tomato support tower thing for them to hold on to. And then let me come around here. Then I have this guy. I think this is a beef, no, yeah, this is a beefsteak one. And they're doing really well. I tucked some marigold flowers down in there. And then this is my basil, which has really been struggling. I hope it does a little better than it has been. My cucumber's been struggling too, and I have to say I think it's simply because I overwatered it and then it rained. But eventually I'm hoping that it'll get stronger and grow up the trellis. And I just planted it in that kind of weathered looking basket. It's really deep, so I'm sure it'll have enough room for roots. These are forget-me-nots that I started from seed, and these are more marigolds that I started from seed. I have parsley in here that hasn't taken off yet, but I'm hoping it will. And then we'll go over here. I have and this is a sweet potato that I'm hoping will grow. I have a bell pepper and then a multi-bell pepper in here. And again, it's still a pretty deep basket, so I think it'll do okay. My poblano pepper is absolutely struggling. I don't know what the deal is, but maybe I just got him too wet too, but hopefully he'll take root and do okay. I got these pretty pinwheels from the Dollar Tree to help kind of keep the birds from getting the seeds. These are 3 white potato plants in containers right here in the front. They're doing really well. This is my herb garden. I have thyme, rosemary, oregano, and sage. And in here I have onions and some marigolds that I planted along with it. I have a cherry tomato plant here that's doing really well. And then here is my yellow squash, or crookneck squash. I see lots of blooms. I haven't seen any squash yet. It's early and I'm just impatient, so I'm going to give it some time, but it looks really healthy. I think it's doing okay. I can't believe how fast my snow peas, I just planted them from seed last Saturday and they're already sprouting, and then I have a trellis here for them to grow up. Here, these have taken a long time to take off, but they finally are. I've got, which one is this? Cilantro, basil. I think these are more flowers, and then parsley. This is lavender in this pretty pot or basket. Let me fix my little pinwheel. So this is my garden. Over here I've got some more white potatoes. These are called sugar baby watermelon in here. This is zucchini. And then this tower I'm actually going to move. So this is just dirt in here. I didn't plant it in it yet. Those are some marigolds I need to plant, and then this is some dill. But I think I'm just going to join in with my other herbs because I'm told they like to be, close together. So here it is from the other side. My husband's grill kind of blocks the other plants, but that's okay because it's like a lot of sun back here, so a little shade once a day isn't too bad. Anyway, this is my container garden that I've been babying, and we'll see how it goes. Just wanted to give you a quick little tour of it and show you how well it's taken off. So thanks for watching. I'll give you an update in a few weeks. Bye for now.